Nice.
Wow, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. You want to take a look at the cable management?
Sure, let's go. Let's do it. Is it clean? Oh, it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
It's pretty goddamn clean.
I'll take it. You want to see the RGB factor of this?
Yes.
Do you think there's RGB?
I think there
Because
is.
it's super branded with Legion. There's literally Legion right here. And you can see the logo of Legion on the CPU cooler. I did not know that existed.
Dude.
Even the fans.
Stop smelling the UPC, bro.
It's beautiful.
I know.
Let's turn this baby on.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
You need to monitor it though.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Oh, baby. Holy.
Hello. Welcome to my setup.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you guys the first time boot of this beauty. This is actually the monitor Legion gave me as well. This is a 240 Hz 1440p. I can probably run 200. Oh, hello! A special guest. Oh my god, it has Wi-Fi! It has what? I forgot my password, dude.
Wait, seriously?
I actually forgot my password. So after further inspection, my Wi-Fi password is my cat's name. Is it 1 or 01? I forgot. So sorry. Oh, it's 01. Meet Windows 11. Have you met Windows 11 yet?
I'm not yet. We're gonna meet him now.
Yeah, like I didn't upgrade to Windows 11 yet because I really like Windows 10. It's
True.
a comfort pick. But Windows 11 right now, so far it's promising, honestly. What I really want to test out is what it feels like for gaming. 1, 2, 3. It has a USB-C. It's a motherboard. It has a USB-C. It has Wi-Fi and USB-C. It doesn't even have those antennas. Normally the Wi-Fi motherboards come with like antennas at the back.
True.
It says GeForce RTX 3080. So we're now back in Apex. I actually wanted to see how smooth it is, and the fact that we are running on perfect frames on Ultra, it is pretty crazy. I wanted to see if I can still get my aim despite being in a ridiculous position. You want to test it out? Let's get in game. Let's get in game. Looks so smooth though. For 1440p, I'm gonna play with no audio. Oh, I'm gonna get my earphones in a sec. This is ranked, by the way. Ranked. Hello team. We're gonna drop Skyhook and die instantly.
You don't have mic.
My teammates are fighting somewhere, dude. I can't even find them. Where are they? Where are they? I'm so blind! Pretty basic, pretty basic. I'm gonna go for a fight because I do not plan to stay alive long. I'm getting brain damage playing like this, by the way. What you doing, boy? I just wanted to test out the frames and the fact that I can play sideways thanks to this monitor, Legion also by the way, but we're not focused on that. We're focused on this PC. We're playing on a 3080 again, i9. I know it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous for me to say it. It's an i9. I've never owned an i9 before. It's 32GB RAM, 4 sticks, so basically it's 8GB per stick. As far as this being my first unboxing, I hope you guys enjoyed. Name of the tower will be right here. Specs over here. Oh, thank you, editor. You did that for me. That's amazing. Legion, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for sending this PC for me to test. It's my first time holding a 3080. I never hold it, but it's my first time seeing a 3080 up close and personal. It's my first time actually using it to actually play. The frames are amazing. I don't know what else. It's a beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Thank you guys again. I'm Noctile, and I'm one of your Legion ambassadors. Sorry.
So like other YouTubers have dogs and you have a cat.
What? What does that have? What?